What's up guys, good morning from Malaysia. My name is Vinner Singh and I hope you have a fantastic day. Today I am going to ISETAN, the Japan store. ISETAN promote the Japanese culture in different countries. They have each and every product from food to technology. Look at the color of the apple juice. I never seen this kind of apple juice in my life. Perfect Japanese lunchbox which has onigiri, it's known as rice ball, boiled salad and some non-vegetarian dishes. A big size sweet potatoes. Japanese sweet potatoes are amazingly delicious and so juicy. Melon, watermelons without seeds, each and every fruit is fresh and clean. Look at the shine of each and every orange, it's look like artificial. Grapefruit. And the cost of grapefruit is 5 ringgit. I think that's costly for a single piece. And here is the new production from Japan, white watermelon. That is interesting. I think these are the Japanese rice wine, not for me. Types of Japanese green tea. It's matcha, gyukuro, sencha, genmatcha, houjicha. Oh, very difficult. Even the price of Japanese green tea are huge, 50 ringgit. These are the Japanese sweet dishes. It has a pancake which is known as ampamman. It's a favorite dish of Doraemon. These cakes are made from brown butter and green tea. Look at this, it's a white bread. He's cutting the bread pieces in an awesomely great machine, and if someone wants a one piece, they can sell single piece. Wow. These are the Japanese most popular dishes, ramen, onigiri, green tea cake. It says meat floss lotus paste biscuit. So biscuit outside and meat inside. It's not for me. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.